there, I'm Luke the Cookin Camper, along with Zena the Glamper Camper. We are just being kids, having fun playing on all of the equipment at this park. But I am starving, so we're about to jump into the camper and try out a new food item. We've got, I call it astronaut food. We've got some dehydrated macaroni and cheese. Let's go make some. Now this is supposed to be really easy. All you do is tear open the pouch, remove the oxygen absorber, and add 2 cups of boiling water. And then stand for 12 to 15 minutes. So I am going to boil the water in the microwave. So we'll tear that open. Looks pretty good. Take out the little pouch. Now let's get our microwave going with our water. Okie dokie. Now we're just gonna pop that in the microwave. And I don't know, probably cook it for, maybe I'll start with like 4 minutes. Get the generator back up and running. And that is going for 4 minutes. Zena, do you want to try all mac and cheese? Do you want to try the mac and cheese? Now we also have this flavor that eventually we are going to try. This is the cheesy potato soup. And then you just eat it right out of the bag. Now these supposedly have 2.5 servings in them, which I think is kind of annoying because I don't know, are you gonna camp with 2.5 people? But I'll probably just eat the whole thing. And yeah, has tons of ingredients. But I mean, I think it's just like mac and cheese in a box, just mac and cheese and the sauce ingredients. Well, once the 4 minutes is up, we'll dump it in here. Okay, and the water was not boiling, so I microwaved it for an additional minute, and now it is boiling. So, oh my goodness, that bowl is hot. We are going to try to dump this into the bag as safely as possible. That is some hot water. I mean, it seems pretty unsafe to make boiling water and then dump it in here. I'm sure it would be easier maybe if I heated it up inside of a measuring cup. Now it just says stir it up. And there was some cheese powder in there, so I want to make sure it's really stirred up. Already looks like mac and cheese. Doesn't really smell like anything. I'm wondering if it's going to taste similar to the trio cheese sauce mix I reviewed, where it tastes okay, but it's definitely not very cheesy. So now, we stirred that quite a bit. So we're gonna zip up the resealable top and set a timer for 15 minutes, and then we'll enjoy it. Well, it has been 15 minutes. Just squeezing the bottom of it is super hot, but I mean, it feels like it's thickened up nicely. Let's taste it. Super excited. Oh my gosh, it looks amazing. Looks just like mac and cheese. Some of the cheese sauce still is a little clumpy, but that's okay. That tastes pretty good. It does, it tastes similar to the trio cheese sauce that we reviewed before. But the pasta is perfectly cooked. It looks really delicious. Next time I'll just have to mix it up a little bit more. But yeah, definitely check out this ReadyWise dehydrated food. These are really good. Someday we're gonna try the potato soup too. Well, if you liked this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that bell so that you see the next time me and Zena upload a new video. Get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one.